Now for the most critical part of the whole setup, updating the firmware. This is what gets you all the latest features, bug fixes, and security patches. The best way to do this is with the official desktop app, QFlipper. You can grab it for Windows, Mac, or Linux straight from the Flipper Zero website. Get that installed, open it up, and then connect your Flipper to your computer. Quick tip, make sure you use a data-capable USB-C cable. Some charging-only cables out there won't work for this. Once you're in the QFlipper app, you should see your device pop up, showing that it's connected. Look for a button or tab labeled Advanced Controls and click on it. You'll see a drop-down box for Firmware Update Channel. This is where you pick your flavor of firmware. You'll see a few choices like Release, Release Candidate, and Development. Since you're just getting started, I'd really suggest sticking to the Release channel. It's the most reliable and tested version, which is exactly what you want right now. Once you've selected Release, just smash that big update button, and QFlipper will handle the rest. It'll download the new firmware and push it to your device. You'll see it working its magic on both the Flipper and your computer screen. The key here is patience. Don't touch it or unplug it until it says it's